Hey everybody! These are the walls needed for the first floor of the Spring Run kit. Gather everything you need first: the instructions, Aleene's tacky glue, a wet rag to wipe away excess glue, tape, a square, and large clamps. After another review of the directions, I'm doing a quick dry fit to see again how everything will line up. I'm getting the clamp ready by adjusting it first to the size that I will need, and now I'm ready to glue. I'm using Aleene's tacky glue, and the mistake I'm making at this moment is that I should be putting glue on the bottom of the walls and not in the grooves due to the openings in the wall. I'll just have to wipe it away later. Use a square to make sure that the wall is straight. Even though the walls are where they need to be, sometimes the end sides will pop out just slightly, which is why I'm taping it in place. And now I'm using a small paintbrush to wipe the glue out of the grooves. I'm using the square on every wall to make sure they are all straight. To confirm placement of the side wall, I'm placing it in the groove but not gluing it. And I'm clamping the other two walls so they are flush with the foundation because the tape is not strong enough to hold them. Again, using the square to make sure everything is straight. I'm balancing weights on some boards that I had on hand to weigh down the walls. 3 to 4 hours later, I removed the weights and the clamp. Now I'm ready to install the third wall by doing a quick dry fit first, and this time I remembered to put the glue on the bottom of the wall instead of in the groove. I'm using a small paintbrush to wipe away the excess glue and clamping this wall so it's flush with the foundation. 3 to 4 hours later, the clamps can be removed and the first floor is done. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you'll know when I post again.